Hi, I'm Tommy Hansen. I'm going to show you a session, a test of some vintage equipment from NTP made in the 1970s, early 70s. First, we're going to test the equalizer from NTP. It's the 182-100. It's a very nice sounding vintage equalizer. Okay, here we are. I'm going to turn the knobs of the equalizer so you can hear what happens. Right now, it's flat. I'm going to boost 60 Hertz and 10 kilohertz. Check it out.
Je ne sais pas l'amour, she said to me. Her eyes of wrath were sinking in the sea, all dressed in black, a face of milk and red, way off the track with everything she said. Oh, she played me, then betrayed me. Now she's gone. Alois, Alois, if you walk in the dark, you will freeze. Oh, Alois, won't you open your eyes, baby, please?
So I'm up with 60 Hertz plus 6 dB, and I'm up 9 dB at 10 kilohertz. I'm down 2 dB at 2K.
She was royale
I'm gonna go flat.
until the sun returned. Oh, she played me, then betrayed me. Now she's gone.
A bit boring.
Alois, Alois, if you walk in the dark, you will freeze. Oh, Alois, won't you open your eyes, baby, please?
I'm just gonna fool around with it so you hear something happens.
Oh, she played me, then betrayed me. Now she's gone. Alois,
Well,
Alois,
somehow I like this setting.
walking
With a boost of 6 dB at 60 Hertz, a boost of 9 dB at 10 kilohertz, and the presence down by 2 dB at 2K. Thanks.